This AI animated video got over 180 million views on Instagram. It got over 12 million likes with insane engagement. And all of that happened in less than a month. And speaking of Instagram, I'd appreciate it if you follow my personal account. And I'm sure you've noticed recently that AI content is getting more and more insane. Millions of views, and some even hitting hundreds of millions in short time. Even multi-billion-dollar companies like Coca-Cola have started using AI for their brands. So in this video, I'm going to have fun recreating some of these viral animations and walk you through how to make similar content yourself, even if you have zero experience. As with the new updated tool we'll show you, this won't take more than a click. And it honestly all started by accident when I stumbled upon this weird video in my Instagram Reels. I was blown away by the number of views and engagement it had. And then I started noticing that it wasn't just luck with one video. 9 million, 11 million, 61 million, 15 million. As you can see, this page is absolutely killing it with these AI animations, which we will recreate later in this video. And if you take a step back and look at this from a broader perspective, this AI animation trend has massive potential. So if you jump in right now and seize the opportunity, you could be part of something huge, which is exactly why I decided to make this video for you guys. Okay, so to get started, we first need a topic to generate an animation about. And here on the screen is my prompt, which will help us create exactly that. It's super flexible and structured to give all the details it needs to generate a unique and engaging animated story. So first, we have the length. This is where you specify how long the animation should be. Short, like a 30-second reel, or a bit longer for a more detailed story. Then comes the main character. You can add a character like a fox, cat, superhero, or anything you want your story to revolve around. After that, we have the initial situation or conflict, and this sets up the challenge or journey. For example, the fox gets lost in the forest. Then comes the tone of the beginning and ending, so you can control how the story feels. Start off sad and end happy. And finally, there's the theme. This is where you add meaning to the story, things like friendship, courage, or kindness, to make it really connect on an emotional level. So this framework ensures that the story flows naturally and captures the emotions of the journey. And here's the fun part. You can either get creative and use this prompt as a framework to write your own story, or you can completely automate the process and let ChatGPT do all the work for you. And I'll show you how to bring your idea to life using the mind-blowing InVideo AI update. And since cat videos are going crazy viral, I thought it would be fun to try creating something in that direction. So here's the story I came up with. It's about a kitten named Luna who's cold and alone in the rain. Then Sunny, a golden retriever, steps in to help her. And the story ends with a kind baker rescuing both of them. So it's simple, emotional, and perfect for an animation like this. And now that we have our story, it's time to make the magic happen and bring it to life using InVideo AI. So here's the dashboard, which you're probably familiar with. But with the 3.0 update, the possibilities are next level. Because by using the new flows right here, we can now generate all kinds of mind-blowing animation videos super easily. And I'll test out these features in just a minute, but for now, let's get back to our story. So right here, I'm gonna paste the story prompt we have generated recently. And then I'm gonna click on Generate a Video. Here, make sure Generative Media is selected, which means InVideo AI will generate everything from scratch. We also have some more customization options, like the duration, audience, and platform. Hit Continue and wait for it to finish, and the time may vary depending on the length and complexity. So while we wait, let's check out some InVideo AI creations. I mean, I have no words. This is incredible. Let's check out our story. So first we have Luna, the sad little kitten lost and alone in the rain. Then Sunny, the golden retriever, enters the scene as he notices Luna and steps in to help her. And at the end, the kind baker finds both of them and brings them into his warm shop. This is honestly mind-blowing. The entire animation came together just from a simple text prompt, and it's incredible how spot-on the AI captured everything. I know what you're thinking. This style looks totally different from the viral video we saw. Well, watch how I replicated the same style just by tweaking the prompt. But this is just the beginning. Now it's time to dive deeper and explore even more mind-blowing features. As one of the standout updates are these new flows. With so many animation styles to choose from, like cinematic films, explainers, or even Minecraft-style animations, these flows make the entire creation process 10 times faster. So unlike the first method where we manually entered the prompt, these flows do the heavy lifting for you. So let's try out this animated short flow together. And the first thing we need to do is provide a video topic. For this example, I'm going with a turtle named Shelby who teaches kids about ocean life, diving deep to uncover underwater secrets in a fun way. I believe this will come out really cool. Next, we move on to the settings, starting with the animation style. As you can see, there are tons of options here, like Lego, Minecraft, Claymation, Cyberpunk, etc. But personally, I love Pixar style animation, so I'm going to choose that. After that, we can pick the voice actor. And just like with the animation styles, there are plenty of options here. You even have the ability to clone and use your own voice. But since this video is for kids, I'll go with the American Young Kids voice. You can also customize it further by adding background music, captions, and other preferences. And once you're happy with everything, simply click Continue. Now, as you can see, our prompt is ready to go, complete with all the settings we selected, and all that's left to do is hit Generate Video and let the AI do all the work for you.
Hi there! I'm Shelby, and I'm on a super cool adventure under the sea. I love exploring the ocean, but I've always been a little scared of the deep, dark parts. But today, I'm going to be brave and dive deeper than ever before. Wow, look at all these amazing creatures. Did you know that jellyfish have been around for over 500 million years? Oh, and check out that coral reef. It's like an underwater city for fish. Uh-oh, it's getting darker down here. I'm a little nervous. Whoa, what's that scary-looking fish with the glowing light? Oh no, it's coming closer. Wait a minute. Hey there. You're an anglerfish, aren't you? Glub glub gurgle. Wow, you're not so scary after all. I learned something important today. Remember, friends, always be curious and don't judge a fish by its scales.
Now, if that's not mind-blowing, I honestly don't know what to say. I'm genuinely impressed with the quality I'm getting, and I can't stress enough about the opportunities this new update opens up. But in case you want to make any changes, InVideo makes it super easy. First, you have text commands, where you can request changes directly through prompts. For example, you can change the music, update the voiceover, dub the video into other languages. All of this can be done right here. But if you prefer a more detailed approach, click on the Edit button. Here, you can make changes to anything you want. In the Media tab, you'll see all the clips used, so you can easily change or replace scenes. In the Music tab, you can swap out the background music or even upload your own. And in the Script tab, you'll have full control to edit and adjust the script to fit your story perfectly. And finally, under Settings, you'll find options to customize your video even further. So, let's say you want to update a specific clip, but keep the same character for consistency. To do so, click on Generated Media and then the plus icon. And right here below, you'll see all the characters listed. For example, if we click on Shelby, we can type a new scene idea, like Shelby meets a starfish. And once we hit Generate a Clip, the AI will create the new scene for us in just a few minutes, and we can replace it with one click. And once you're happy with everything, simply download your video and you're ready to go. So the possibilities here are endless, my friend. You can explore unlimited ideas and styles to level up your content and ride this trend. You can try InVideo AI for free, but if you want access to the generative features, I highly recommend the generative plan. It's what I use, and with 15 generative minutes, it saves you hundreds on editing, animation, and production costs. And if you're already an InVideo user, you can simply go to the add-on section and buy generative seconds. So go ahead, sign up, and let your creativity flow.